Stop! Your money! It's shrinking every second! You don't see it, but it's lurking in the depths of your account, and it's eating your money slowly every single day. Inflation is the silent hunter. Your money in the bank might look the same, but it's losing value every day, every month. And if you're just saving your money without it working for you and earning returns, then it's its absolute favorite prey. Some try to swim away from the shark. With that great savings account at, let's say, 0.3% interest, with an inflation of maybe 3%, that's like a snorkel against a torpedo, a guaranteed real loss of 2.7% every year. But you can escape it, not through wild panic, but through a strategy many overlook, but which makes all the difference. It's the knowledge of smart, long-term investing. The inflation shark won't just disappear, but it doesn't have to swallow you whole anymore. With the right knowledge and the right tools, you can navigate the financial sea safely. Do you want to learn how to not only protect your money from the shark, but also let it work safely for you? Then subscribe now to learn for finance before Inflato grabs the next bite. Click here for your personal life raft in the financial sea.